Listen to the teacher carefully. And third, raise your hand if you want to answer. And last, don't talk to your sibling while the class is going on. Are we clear, class? Do you have anything else to add our lesson rules? If none, let us all stand again for our energizer. The title of our energizer is Aerobic Dance Exercise. Okay, did you enjoy our energizer class? Okay, then I will be checking your attendance first. Say in the room if your name is called. Matia, Dresha, Kudal. Okay, very good. Everyone is present today. So class, what was our topic last meeting? Yes, Pamela. Okay, very good, Pamela. Our topic last meeting is about basic exercise. Dear Pamela, jolly clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Tidak. But let us move on to our activity. The title of our activity is 4 Picks, 1 Rule. The teacher will show a set of pictures and the pupils will guess what the pictures represent. They will complete the missing word below. Are you ready, class? Okay. Rudel, what is the answer of number 1? Okay, very good, Rudel. It's frequency. How about number 2? Melody. Okay, very good, Melody. See? Intensity. How about this, Isabel? Okay. activity true or false. Read the directions